what science says about frequent ejaculation. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will know the health benefits of frequent ejaculation, and most importantly, what science says about frequent ejaculation. But before I proceed, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you for supporting this channel. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What does science says about frequent ejaculation? The health benefits are: number one, it makes you feel happy. During the practice, you know what I mean. You become happy after the ejaculation. Every man feel happy and feel excited. That is number one. Number two is that it makes you to relieve stress. It helps you feel like you have relieved some stress, or you have alleviated stress within yourself. So that is the number two health benefit of frequent ejaculation. But now, what does science says about frequent ejaculation? They said that on how every man ejaculates in multiple times. Times does not mean that you have the process or the ejaculation multiple times in a day. It can be once every day. It can be twice every day. But let it be frequently. That is today, tomorrow, next, continuously. The health benefit and what science says. Science says that frequent ejaculation help you to reduce the risk of cancer. The risk of getting cancer, that is the most important health benefit you will derive from frequent ejaculation. And that is what science says about frequent ejaculation. So on how you engage in frequent ejaculation during sex, you will reduce the risk of getting cancer. And once all this happen, it will be very hard for you to contaminate or contact cancer and other diseases that are very painful. So frequent ejaculation will help you to reduce the risk of getting cancer. You know, cancer is very bad. To treat cancer is not easy, and to treat it takes a lot of money. So here in my country, to treat cancer is very difficult and very expensive. If you don't have enough money to treat cancer, that person will be in another world. But this video will give you the natural way to reduce the risk of getting it. That is frequent ejaculation. So that is it for today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this very channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by. I wish you good luck, health, and success. See you in my next video. Bye.